How to install the handlebar control to your electric G-line. Please note, this product needs to be installed by a G-line electric trained mechanic with access to Brompton's diagnostic tool. Incorrect fitting may damage your electric front carrier block. Connect the bike to the diagnostic tool or the app and ensure the latest software is installed. Disconnect the diagnostic tool and then remove the battery from the bike. Wrap the handlebar control clamp on the handlebar next to the left brake lever, ensuring the side buttons of the handlebar control are on the left-hand side. Push the handlebar control against the brake lever with the screen angled just above the line of the stem. Secure in place, tightening the screw using a 2.5mm hex key. Torque to 1 Nm. Check that the side buttons of the handlebar control function correctly and the handlebar control rocks up and down. Wrap the cable around and under the handlebar to then follow the front brake hose. Secure the cable along the front brake hose with the supplied clips as shown. Clip 1, just above the inline cable connector. Clip 2, behind the handlebar stem when the handlebars are straight. Clip 3, just above the front hinge. Remember to pass the cable through the cable guide on the front frame. For the next step, we recommend you disconnect the front light from the front carrier block to gain easier access. Then remove the port cover from the secondary port. Ensure to match the arrow on the front carrier block with the one on the connector, or you could damage the connection. Ensure the arrow on the connector faces the ground, then push the connector in fully. Reconnect the front light, ensuring to match the arrow on the front carrier block with the one on the connector before pushing in fully. To ensure system compatibility with the handlebar control, a Ferrite must be fitted to the torque sensor cable. Ensure the Ferrite clips to itself fully to avoid it from slipping down the cable. Test that you can turn the handlebars and fold the bike. You can now refit the battery on the bike. The handlebar control has been successfully installed to your bike. To find out all its features, click the link in the description.